Let's take a look at a deluxe room in the garden wing at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Alright, coming into the room, there is a little hallway. Here to the right, we have our hair dryer and steamer, our extra pillow and blanket. You've got your hangers. I love this artwork here of the Incredibles. And then a 3-drawer dresser with space on the top. Next to that cabinet, you have extra storage. There's 1, 2, 3 shelves, 2 more dresser drawers, your safe, and a full-size mirror. Next to that cabinet, you have a little shelf to place some different things. You have your ice bucket. I love all of this cool Incredibles theming here in the back. Keurig coffee maker. Your coffee stuff. And a beverage cooler. Coming into this room is gigantic. Here on the right hand side is a really nice credenza. So it looks like there's 6 dresser drawers and then 2 cabinet style with shelving. Here on that same wall is going to be the door for the connecting room. Some really nice mirrors here. And a little chair. Our first slider is right here. The South Garden View rooms do not have balconies, so the door will open, but there's really no point other than to let fresh air in, I guess. Here is our TV with another nice credenza, little sideboard here. There's a cute table and chairs. And swinging around this way, we have our nice couch. So this room will sleep 3 people. This is what that couch looks like folded down. Definitely big enough for a child to sleep in. I would say that that's probably a twin size mattress. A nice size coffee table. And there is a ledge back here that you could actually use to put more things if you needed to. And coming over here, this is a king size bed. There's storage underneath so that you can put your luggage. And there are charging ports on either side of the bed. You got 2 plugs and 2 ports on each side. This is our second sliding door, and we're looking right at the pool. These barn doors close off the bathroom, and there is entrances from the sleeping side and then the hallway when you come into the room for this gigantic bathroom. Here on the right with its own pocket door is the toilet room. Nice size mirror. I love the etching work here on the mirror. Double sink with plenty of space for all of your stuff. Storage on the bottom. And then across from there is the stand-up shower. That's going to do it for this room tour of a deluxe room here in the garden wing at Disney's Contemporary Resort. Isn't this room huge? It has so much space, and it feels weird to only be able to sleep 3 people, but you know, what are you going to do? I'm going to enjoy this space. Have you stayed in the garden wing here at the Contemporary? If you have, let me know what room you stayed in. Did you like being a little bit further away from the amenities and the noise that can sometimes come with being in the tower? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you can see more rooms around Walt Disney World. Until next time, remember to find joy in every moment, and I will see you real soon. Bye, friends.
Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye. Goodbye now. Goodbye. Goodbye. Thank you. Goodbye.